The Larson Electronics explosion-proof ultraviolet light fixture provides operators with a powerful and energy-efficient alternative to traditional hazardous location luminaries with UV cutoff filters. The LED light is T6 rated for hazardous locations where UV lamps are used in paint and adhesive curing, food inspection, or for non-destructive testing. This advanced LED light offers a 180-degree beam of ultraviolet light with an intensity of 46,550 milliwatts. The copper-free aluminum alloy body is powder-coated for added durability and an attractive aesthetic appearance. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.